Hey ChatGPT, I heard that the Holy Quran mentions about Earth's protective atmosphere. Can you please give me the reference from Holy Quran and explain it in 20 seconds?
Yes, the Holy Quran mentions the protective atmosphere in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 32. And we made the sky a protected ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away. This refers to the Earth's atmosphere, which shields us from harmful radiation and space debris, highlighting its protective role.
You mean the Holy Quran is talking about ozone layer?
Yes, that's right. The verse can be interpreted to include the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, along with other atmospheric layers that shield the Earth. It shows a profound understanding of the atmosphere's protective nature, long before modern science discovered it.
It's amazing, guys, isn't it? So my question is from those people who say the Holy Quran is written by a man. So guys, please tell me, how can a man write these modern scientific information about 1400 years ago? I would love to know your thoughts in my comment section. And guys, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and share with others. And yes, don't also forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.